Hi, teachers, educators, my noble colleagues. My name is Jamila, the founder of DIY Digital Trainings. Wow, this training is so power-packed and I'm excited I birthed this vision. This training is going to be covering 3 contents majorly. The first is the gender responsive pedagogy. Okay, how to approach teaching and learning to balance it up for all genders. Secondly, the Nigerian Learning Passport is an initiative of the federal government with the UNICEF to see how learning can be done without necessarily or not necessarily having to have physical contact. Then thirdly, one of the things I notice is teachers go through stressful moments trying to compute results. It ought not to be. And that is the third content of this training. Digital skills you need to compute results effortlessly. I must congratulate you for joining this training. It is a brave move. I highly commend you. You know, for long I've dreamt, I've wished that teachers will get trainings and retrainings over and over again. The truth is, teachers have been neglected. This profession is like the bedrock of the advancement and growth of every society, but it has been left behind, and teachers have been left to just barely live through, just teaching. But we deserve to be trained so that we can give the best. I encourage you who have taken the bold step to join in this training, to stay true to the end. Be engaged in all activities, do all assignments, and I guarantee you, you will never remain the same you that you are right now looking at me today. Thank you once again. I wish you the very best.